Good morning to beautiful BC. And we do have a problem this morning. We have an issue with our Unity 2017 Hinge door rubber hinge. So let's try to fix that. Yes, we feel that we were very lucky because the door didn't fall. So what we'll do is the first step is to cut the rubber hinge with a utility knife. So I'll be cutting all the way and then I'll remove the door. That's step one. Then you will need a Robinson screwdriver, which is, by the way, a Canadian invention. And there's two types. There's a red one and a green one. And actually here we need the green one. There will be two screws, and actually this one just broke on me, so we're gonna have to drill it. I need a 332 bit. Yes, they're old. And what I'll do, just try it. I'll be removing the burrs of material left by the old screw to make sure that the new gasket will easily glide inside. Yeah, and I also need and use some dish watch detergent to make sure that it slides better than that. So I'll just keep cleaning the track, the J track, so make sure that it's going to be an easy glide after. There are 4 pop rivet holding the other part of the rubber hanger that you must drill out. I'll put a bit of masking tape to protect the van. We don't want any chips, more chips actually, than there is on that 2017 Unity. I'm using my vice grip again. Try to just pull it out at this end. See if that's gonna work. Yeah, that might be a solution. Well, make 2 marks. One at 4" from the end of the door. We'll make another one at 6". What we'll do is we'll cut here and here and bend that G channel so we can slip in the new rubber hinge. Yes, it's a long process, but I don't think that with the jigsaw it's a good idea. But let's not put that option away. I just want to make sure that I don't cut into the paint, because yes, it will show even if the hinge is there. Let's use a miracle tape. Yeah, you know, the duct tape. this should do the job. So we'll clean everything, make sure it's really clean. I'll probably cut a small sample of my rubber hanger, hinge, sorry, rubber hinge, to make sure that it slides properly. So see you later. To clean the J channel, aluminum J channel, what I'll do is take a old part of the original rubber hanger, and I'll just push it through. And this way I can get to clean and what I'm using is a just dish soap, and I'll just slide it in, make sure that help you clean a bit what residue would be from the hole. Now bear in mind that's my idea. Maybe there's probably something that's gonna work better. And what also, that's a part of the new trim, just a small part. I bought more than I needed. Actually, they shipped me more than I needed. So I'm just using that leftover to see how it's gonna work with the real one. And this way I can have an idea on what to expect when I'll put the real one, or the exact one. Yeah, so that will be the way. Let's try to take it out. And also let's see if, because I did that 2-inch cutoff, so when I'll put the new one in, it's gonna be like that. So will it fit easily? That's the $1,000 question. Oh yeah, that's gonna work out. Hmm. Hmm. Oh yeah, okay. That's gonna work. It's gonna work fine. Yeah, so let's clean it a bit more, And we'll also have the main door to clean, the J on it, the J aluminum channel. So let's work on that. Finally, I decided to go with soap. It's going to be even more. Oh yeah. That's probably the best way to go. Sorry, we'll use all the tricks. I did cut the rubber at length. Got to measure doors, that's for sure. No dishes tonight, that's great. Well, it won't be in the soap. So my wife's gonna hold it straight so it's gonna be easier to slide in. Seems to be working a lot better with 4 hands. Okay, that's it. Yeah, it went just great. Oops, it's going to be the same for the door. Using the towel, it's so slippery. I did cut it to length. It seems like it stretched a bit. You have to work it in. That's oh yeah, that's a perfect fit. So, oh yeah, so that's what we'll do with the door. Show something here. So it's a good idea to protect your van with some carpet or with something, because the door is going to slide beside it. I'm putting extra soap. Secret is it slides as best as possible. Aligning the rubber. Listen. Okay, push. Put a bit more soap. So actually I'm using both.
More soap. More soap. More soap.
Back up.
Je suis rendue.
Is it clear? C'est clair dessus?
Ben, je pense que oui. Hein? Je vais bien voir, je suis capable de tenir.
Okay, drop it slowly. Slowly.
Je sais pas, viens voir, moi je la tiens.
Drop it. Now that was an easy one. You just have to put the cylinder, compression cylinder back. And that's a great job. It took me about 2 hours, but there was filming also. So yeah, pretty proud of the job. Very easy job. Just pushing back the J channel to its location. And we'll also pull back the 2 screws for the door and the 4 pop rivet that we removed. So we'll use some new one. And that's it for this project.